Hey there, little people inside my phone. I got bored today, so I decided to make a banana smoothie. And today, I have a special guest. Come on.
Hi.
This is my little brother, and he's gonna help us make a banana smoothie. Let's go. First, you guys are gonna need
This.
Next, you guys are gonna need
Joker. Banana.
Now, dígalo.
Got the banana.
Yup, cut the banana. A little treat. Ahora.
Put a banana in a cup.
Correct.
Yeah.
Heard him. Better do it. Next, you're gonna need 1/4 of a teaspoon. Maybe less.
Yeah. Let's go put a banana. A little
Vanilla.
banana.
A little vanilla. 1.
Put a milk.
Now add milk. Put as much as you want.
Put as much as you want. Milk.
Move your cup out and, move the cutting board and put your...
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Next, you want to put the top on.
Yeah.
And you know what we're going to do, Samuel?
Yeah.
We're gonna
This.
blend it. Whoa. Now you want to take it out, move that aside, and put this in a cup. Ready, Samuel? Yeah? You're a taste tester. You have to taste it, okay? You have to rate it 1 out of 10. Ready? Look at the camera.
It's so tasty.
It's so tasty. Oh, is it a 1 or a 10?
1.
What? You don't like it? What? You don't like it?
Yeah.
Then why you won't know? You said you didn't like it. Well, that's how you make a banana smoothie. Bye, guys. See you guys another day. Ka-chow. Say, ka-chow.
Get around.